The active foam sneaker cleaner is designed to make shoe care quick and hassle-free. It creates rich foamy bubbles that dive deep into fabric fibers, lifting dirt, grime, and stains in seconds. Whether your kicks are canvas, mesh, synthetic, or cloth, this cleaner helps bring them back to that fresh, almost new look. What makes it stand out is the waterless formula, no soaking, no rinsing. Just pump the foam, scrub with the included brush, and wipe clean with the towel. That's it. Perfect if you want easy sneaker care at home, after the gym, or even while traveling. It's made with a neutral, non ionic formula that's tough on dirt but gentle on your sneakers and even on your hands. Safe for most surfaces with no risk of fading or discoloration. And instead of a harsh chemical smell, it leaves behind a light, clean scent. In short, it's a practical, travel friendly way to keep your sneakers looking sharp without the mess. First, do your research.